Grapes are one of the oldest fruits humans have ever grown, and chances are, most of us grew up eating them without knowing their incredible story. Grapes. Grapes have been cultivated for over 6,000 years, dating back to ancient Egypt, Greece, and the Middle East. They were valued not just as food, but as medicine, symbols of abundance, and even currency. Long before supermarkets, grapes were dried into raisins to preserve food and pressed for juice and wine. But grapes aren't just history, they're powerful nutrition. They're packed with antioxidants, especially resveratrol, which supports heart health, improves blood circulation, and helps fight inflammation. Grapes also support digestion, boost immunity, and provide natural energy thanks to their natural sugars and water content. Fresh grapes hydrate the body, while raisins concentrate nutrients into a long-lasting food source. The best part? You can grow grapes at home. Grapes love sunlight, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. They grow best in well-drained soil, because grape roots hate sitting in water. You can plant grapes using cuttings or young vines, spacing them well so air can circulate. Once planted, water regularly but don't overdo it. Grapes actually grow stronger when their roots search for water. Support is important. Grapes are climbers, so give them a trellis, fence, or pergola to grow on. With pruning, patience, and proper care, grapevines can live for decades and produce fruit year after year. Grapes aren't just a fruit, they're a legacy plant. Plant once, and you could be harvesting for generations. So tell me, would you grow grapes for eating juice or tradition? Comment grapes, like, share, and follow for more food growing knowledge passed down through time.